I'm going to show you how to assemble step 3 for model number 5213. Okay. As you can see, this is an adjustable handle. Okay, and there is a spring. You should be able to find it in the box. It should put it with the ankle pad. Okay, and you want the way you can put them together. Insert spring first. Okay, and you can see there are 2 bolts and nuts. I believe they're number 16 and number 45. Okay, and those 2 are going to these 2 holes. One at the front. Okay, this is the front. This is the front for adjustable handle, and this is for instep frame. Okay, and we're going to start with the adjustable handle. Okay, let me get the bolts and nuts out. There we go. Okay, 2 you can see 2 washers, bolts and nuts. Okay. Now we're going to put this inside first. Okay. We have had bolts come inside. Okay, it comes up. This is nuts and washer. Okay, this is how you assemble the adjustable handle. When you push it, you see inside the housing. When you push it, the pins will leave, and when you release it, it comes back to lock the instep frame. There's square holes on the instep frame. Okay, again, when you push it, okay, then there will be like nothing inside. But when you release it, the pins comes in to lock the feet. Okay, this is how you assemble adjustable handle. And now it comes. Here it comes to installation for instep frame. Okay. Now first we're gonna remove the end cap first. Okay. You should be able to see there's a plastic rope inside that help you to pull the spring out. See, you can see there's a spring inside. There's a spring, and at the end there's a ring. Okay. So this spring will help you to move instep frame inside the adjustable boom. Okay, let's do it. Stick it inside the boom. Okay, and unlock it. Okay, now we need another bolts and nuts. Okay, here's another bolts and nuts. 2 washers. Okay. Now, here's the tricky part. You want to have your bolts go through the boom, instep frame, and the ring. Here's the ring at the end of springs. Okay, you want to go inside the rings. So you have to pull it to let the bolts go through it. Alright? And then come back to the hole at the other side. There we go. Okay, washers nuts. Okay, and you put the rest of plastic rope inside that frame. And the end cap we just had, we just remove, put that back, make it look nice. Okay, there we go. Now, okay, that's the part we assembled. So when you push adjustable handle, remember, it should release, unlock the inset frame, so you'll automatically go back like this. Again, when I push adjustable handle, I can remove it, adjust it, my ankle, and release my ankle. Again, when I push it, should automatically go back. And let me pull it again. Do you see it? Okay. That's my demonstrations. And make sure, one thing, I'm going to quickly remind. One thing, make sure this hose is facing up. Because if that's facing down, you won't be able to lock the inset frame. Okay? Thank you for watching.